can practically meet the social media, the Hindi issue, the International Day of Yoga, how to bring more companies into MIIM. Please don't forget our objectives, which are all to strengthen the relationship between our two great countries.
Raise your hands and the mic will be passed on to you.
And the modus operandi for the Indian Professional Forum, specifically in terms of vision, what do you expect? How do you see this go beyond just networking of individuals? In terms of modus operandi, do you see this pan out as a database of people, or does it? Do you see it leverage existing professional networks like, for example, LinkedIn comes to my mind, especially because you talk about social networking. The question is more, what is the vision and how do you see this pan out?
We gave a limited vision in that slide. Basically, we are going to call a meeting on the database that we have and of people who register. After that, we'll hold a meeting and do some brainstorming. I would like to set up a committee of about 10 to see how we should work this. Our objectives were clear on that slide, on the IPF slide. But what the professionals also expect of us, that we are ready to hear. But what we want is to network with you to find out how our goals, which I have defined and I listed there, can be encouraged through your participation, through your linkage with companies, through your linkage with institutions, academic institutions and things like that. Second, like the lady says, she has an issue on medical. Now, while as embassy we would not like to help her, perhaps this network of professionals can help her, right? So there are many things. There are the individual level, there are the group level, and then there are the embassy goals. We have to see how best they can all be met. So this is an idea we have started. We would like to do it and see how to take it forward. I'm sure it will work, but regular meetings will be called.
Germans and Indians, over the years, they have been a very active component, and we are very much interested in local conferences with the diaspora organizations of Indians only. And your program, which you presented today here, is the best amplifier for the website of our own organization. And I welcome everyone around here and beyond this meeting hall in Germany to join us in this effort with the programs. India is supporting this Indo-German Association. We can expand our operation very much in the school problem. The school project was writing workshops with you has been a very great success by the German Indian Society. Unfortunately, at this moment, we cannot continue to finance it. But we'll come back to it, maybe in cooperation with the Indian Embassy. And there are many other areas. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I wanted to raise my voice here and say there is a response cell in Germany from the German side for this cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you. We consciously chose to invite the DIGs because we don't treat you and the DIGs as a non-diaspora organization. You are the ID because you bring both sides together. So you remain a very important vehicle for our engagement. And therefore you'll always be a part of this conference.
Thank you.
And also for promotion of national programs. And not everyone at the embassy is expertise in a particular subject. So we want to engage the professionals to actually come to these events and be a speaker and also engage in promotion of all these activities on our behalf. So this is one of the very important part of this network that we like. That's why we have asked you for a short profile so that we could actually differentiate you on the basis of the sectors, and then we can allocate which all events we can actually ask you to come in. Thank you.
Anybody else in the middle?
Mayan? Can everybody hear me? Well, sports make friends, and I was suggesting that if Indian embassy or Indian consulate can arrange some kind of matches in cricket field, in India as well as in Germany, bringing two teams will be of big interest. They are doing, Indian consulate is doing, during 15th of August. Yes, but this is something what I would say, if Indian team or German team could be
German cricket team?
German cricket, a Bavarian cricket team, right? Why
Why not?
German?
If you send a Bavarian cricket team to India,
Sure.
we'll be happy to arrange some local matches for them.
Oh, really?
That is not a problem.
Okay, sure, we'll contact you.
Because Bavaria is the sister state of Karnataka. So we will tell Karnataka to arrange some matches under that.
Thank you
Not a
very
problem.
much.
Your suggestion in regard to Hindi language in the schools or in the universities. Since years, this is a matter which some association and some people have been trying, but not a big profit in that. I wanted to bring in your notice, it is already in work. We, some couple of associations gathered together in Hamburg, making as an umbrella association now, working with Senate government in Hamburg. We already have some meetings with the ministers, and we have given this suggestion to bring Hindi language where the Indian students or the German students or the scholars are interested to, so we can give the feedback, we can give the complete support, also not only the Hindi language, also with the Hindu religion. And this matter is under Education Ministry as well with the Rathaus in Hamburg. We are working on it. Thanks.
This one you'll be in touch with him, you'll get us more details on the schools that we want to pursue. Yes, sir.
As well as Deutsche Gesellschaft in Bonn. Just a comment on the 26th, we are having Holi. It has been recorded by WDR and will be relayed on Easter Monday in the evening. That's it.
Thank you.
What I understand here, that if all communities have contact each other, so many problems will solve. Many problems will solve with our interrelationship. And the image, we don't need to care about the image. Image will come automatic. And if we have, if I convince 5 people, he will convince 5 people. You know? If some gentleman saying 1,000 people in their street, so 1,000 into 5,000. So I think we should share our contacts. We should take help each other from the contacts and instead of dependent on the embassy or consulate. And we really thankful. I'm not here last 40 years or 30 years. Just I'm here 4 years, almost closing to 4 years. But in 4 years, I'm very grateful to the CGI Hamburg. Whatever I do, they say, okay, do Dr. Mishra. We don't need to care about the money because money comes automatic. Yeah, of course. Of course, whatever, see, just I finished India Fest and around 300 people were participated there. And in 9 performances we did. 9 performances, and we saved even with 9 performances, €1,000, and I'm going to send the Save the Girl Child project to India. So I didn't ask money, and Mr. Deswal is here, and I didn't ask money from the consulate or something. I can collect money. Money is not a big problem, but the moral support is very important. And we need, I would like to request everyone from the diaspora that please share your information and please help each other. I am just 3 years or 4 years. You are 35, 40 years, your experience is enough. Thank you very much.
So you can raise the money, you can do the
Mayan, can everybody hear me? Well, sports make friends, and I was suggesting that if Indian embassy or Indian consulate can arrange some kind of matches in cricket field, in India as well as in Germany, bringing 2 teams would be of big interest. They are doing, Indian consulate is doing, during 15th of August. Yes, but this is something what I would say, if Indian team or German team could be
German cricket team.
German cricket, a Bavarian cricket team, right? have a
If
tournament.
you send a Bavarian cricket team to India,
Sure.
we'll be happy to arrange some local matches for them.
Oh, really?
That is not a problem.
Okay, sure, we'll contact you.
Because Bavaria is the sister state of Karnataka. So we will tell Karnataka to arrange some matches under that.
Thank you
Not a
very
problem.
much.